All right, y'all, real quick. So I hope all is well with you right now. And moving forward, I hope everything is going well for you. I hope you're having a wonderful day whenever it is that you're watching this video. But we're gonna talk about in like the next 60 seconds to maybe 2 minutes, talking about using the knowledge that you already have to make money. All right, so it doesn't matter if you're an event planner. It doesn't matter if you have a t-shirt brand. It doesn't matter if you have a podcast. It doesn't matter. People want to know how to get from point A to point B. You can literally take someone from point A to point B and make money from that. And so you can turn your knowledge, what things that you already have knowledge on, you can turn them into a digital product and you can make money. Now, the benefits of having a digital product is that it's really no overhead. So like you can advertise your digital product. There are plenty of sites that you can advertise this product on. You can sell this product on. You can sell it through Gumroad. You can sell it through PayPal. You can sell it through Square. You can sell it through any sort of website platform. It may cost you what, $30 a month. But the beauty about it is that you can pre-sell this digital product just to see if people are really feeling this thing that you're going to be doing. Pre-sell it. Put it out there. This is all on information that you have. You can pre-sell this product. So then the pre-sale is going to give you the ability to see who really likes the product that it is that you're looking to sell. And then once you have enough sales from that, okay, now you have the money to pay for the platform just in case the platform requires anything. But most of these platforms, like your Squares, like your Kajabis, like your Shopify's, these platforms, they only are going to charge you after a free trial. That trial period is typically 14 days. So you can pre-sale for 14 days. And then on that 15th day, you'll have your money. On that 14th day, you'll have your money. On that first day, you'll have your money. So use what you know to make the money that you want. And then you can take that money and reinvest it into something more that you want. So maybe you want to get into real estate without owning. Maybe you want to get an Airbnb. Maybe you want to get an event space. Maybe you want to build a bigger brand. Turn what you know into a digital product. Knowledge is always going to be power, and people will pay for what you know. Believe that. All right. So that's all I got for y'all. Peace.